Calcium chloride, CaCl2. We will explore the formation of ionic bonding in CaCl2. Calcium chloride is made up of one calcium atom, Ca, and two chlorine atoms, Cl. Therefore, CaCl2. There they are, and we will write the electron configuration next to each atom to figure out the process of transfer of electrons. The electron configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. So 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and 7 electrons in the outermost shell. Calcium has 20 electrons and they are arranged as follows: 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second, 8 in the third, and 2 electrons in the outermost shell. The second Cl is the same as the first. It has 7 valence electrons. So 7 electrons in the outermost shell for each chlorine atom. However, calcium has 2 valence electrons, 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So calcium will lose those 2 electrons, and transfer of electrons will occur, by which 1 electron will be gained by the first chlorine and 1 electron will be gained by the second chlorine atom. So chlorine gained 1 electron, so it becomes Cl- with the following electron configuration: 2, 8, 8, and of course the negative charge to the upper right corner. Calcium lost 2 electrons, so it becomes Ca2+, and the electron configuration is 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and 8 electrons in the third shell, and the charge 2+, showing that calcium lost 2 electrons. The second chlorine is the same as the first, so it becomes Cl-, and it gains 1 electron, which is shown here as 8 electrons instead of 7 in the outermost shell, and a negative charge. This transfer of electrons is how the ionic bond is formed. Ca2+, Cl-, and Cl- are the ions that form CaCl2, where calcium loses 2 electrons and they are transferred to 2 chlorine atoms. Calcium lost 2 electrons, so it has the charge 2+. Chlorine gained 1 electron, so it's Cl-. This is the formation of ionic bonding in CaCl2.